Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn the way how to find out the empirical formula of a compound if weight percentage of the constituent element is given. We will also learn how to find out the molecular formula from empirical formula if the molecular weight of the compound is given. You all must be knowing what is empirical formula. The empirical formula of a compound is the formula with the smallest integer ratio of the constituent element. For example, the chemical formula of glucose is C6H12O6. The ratio of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen in glucose is 6:12:6. The simplest ratio of these elements will be 1:2:1. So, the empirical formula of glucose will be C1H2O1, or simply we can say CH2O. Now let us take the example in which we have to find out the empirical formula and molecular formula of a compound X that has mass percentage of carbon 70.6%, hydrogen 5.9% and oxygen 23.5%. The molecular weight of the compound is 136. To accomplish this task, we will first make a table with 5 columns. In column 1, put element, mass number, or we can say A, weight percent, or simply percentage. In column 4, percentage upon mass number, and finally simple ratio. So these are the 5 columns that are required to make. In the given compound X, there are 3 elements: carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Their corresponding weight percent is carbon is 70.6%. The mass number of carbon is 12, that of hydrogen is 1 and oxygen is 16. Their percentages are 70.6, 5.9 and 23.5. So in the fourth column, 70.6 divided by 12 is equal to 5.9. 5.9 divided by 1 is equal to 5.9, and for oxygen 23.5 divided by 16 is equal to 1.5. So the simple ratio we can get by dividing these numbers by 1.5 across the column. So after dividing by 1.5, these values will be 1, 4 and 4. Thus, the empirical formula of the compound X will become C4H4O. Now we will find the molecular formula of the compound. The molecular formula of the compound is related to the empirical formula, like as MF molecular formula is equal to empirical formula multiplied by N, where N is an integer. So we can write MF is equal to C4H4O into N. Since the molecular weight of the compound is 136, so we can write 136 is equal to 4 into 12 plus 4 into 1 plus 16 into N. 136 is equal to 48 plus 4 plus 16 into N, or 136 is equal to 68 N. So value of N will be equal to 2. So putting the value of N in this equation, we will get molecular formula. So the molecular formula will become MF is equal to C4H4O into 2, that will become C8H8O2. So the molecular formula of the compound is this. So in this way we can find out the empirical formula and molecular formula of a compound if mass percentage of the element and molecular weight of the compound is given. Hope you guys like this video. Thank you very much.